So here's how to integrate WhatsApp with Gohighlevel. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser, and here you have to simply search for the integrately. This website is similar to Zapier. If you are familiar with Zapier, then it's easy for you to work on it. After that, here at this page you have to simply click on the start free with Google option to create your account. Here this tool also allows you to create an connection with the help of AI. You can use this AI feature for the automation. Type in the automation type and then click on the generate option. Here, as you can see, I have typed in connect WhatsApp with Gohighlevel and then clicked on the generate option. Now you have to wait for the time. After that, as you can see, our integration has been generated. Then click on the activate option. Now you have to copy this code and you have to set this webhook URL to in WhatsApp. Now click on this option. I have set this URL in WhatsApp. After that, here at this interface you have to click on the done check if received option. Now as you can see, it's testing the URL. After that, at this interface you have to simply go to your Gohighlevel account, and then you have to find your API key and enter this API key here and click on the continue option. You can also watch this video to complete this integration. So that's how to connect WhatsApp to Gohighlevel.